I'm Rich from Cali Coast Shutters Shades. We offer a wide variety of high-quality custom window coverings at an affordable price. We are your local experts serving Orange County, Long Beach, and the southern LA County area. As the owner of Cali Coast Shutters and Shades, we are committed to offering the best shutter and shade experience, starting with a free in-home or in-office consultation. I'll personally measure your windows, show you samples and fabric options depending on your style and budget, and leave you a price. Call or message us today to set up your free no-obligation estimate. We look forward to helping you find the best solution for your window coverings.